Pop that.
Hello everybody, this is Bulldozer, and thank you for giving me your time, and thank you for watching another one of my videos. Welcome to another version of Whacked Out Drivers in the Natty. And actually, this dash cam footage caught on southbound 75 in Kentucky actually has two different pieces of video in it. You saw right there that semi cut off that Mini Coupe. Make sure you check out the channel for that. But take a look at this. Look how close this person hauling this Winnebago's, I think it's what it said on the side, a Winnebago, almost cut us off and took off our front end. Folks, the video does not do this video justice. It was a lot closer than it actually looked. You can see it here again. This person, like I said, he's got his turn signal on, but he has taken that turn way too soon and almost got our front end. And mind you, this is a 55 or 65 mile an hour speed limit zone. So yeah, it's a little dangerous to be doing that. If you don't know how to drive an RV, or I should say tow an RV, maybe you shouldn't do it, or let somebody else do it for you. Because this person here literally almost caused an accident. This stretch of southbound 75 is called Cutting the Hill, and if you go back and look at the video as you make that turn, start going up the hill, you see both the hills in the side, and the interstate runs through it. It gives it the name Cutting the Hill. Now, also I'm noticing I see no blinkers on this RV also. So look, apparently they don't even have the RV hooked up properly, because you just saw them change lanes again and again did not use a blinker. Now when he cut us off, I did see a blinker on the truck. We didn't catch it when it took place because all we see is this huge green box in front of us. But watching the video back, you can see the green, excuse me, not the green, the truck's blinker. But I don't recognize a blinker coming from that RV, which again tells me they do not have that RV hooked up properly, because it's supposed to be hooked into the taillights of that truck. So when they put on turn signals, the RV will also show turn signals. And if the turn signals are not working, the brake lights are not working on this RV, it is not supposed to be on the road. Yet another reason why somebody could actually drive into the back of this thing at night if the rear lights are not properly working. But again, you can see a picture of this RV, so hopefully you see this video and maybe you will take a little more caution on how you are hauling this thing around, because you're going to cause a serious accident. And the thing is, if he would have hit our front end, he probably would not even known it. Yeah, so there you have it. Make sure you check out the channel, because there's also a video on the channel where I got footage of a gas tanker running not one but two red lights while they are carrying a flammable liquid. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. The video on the center of your screen is where we had an encounter with the Metro bus driver in downtown Cincinnati. Traffic was messed up, but he was supposed to stay behind his white line at a red light, and he came through the intersection outside his lane of travel and was trying to go around cars and was trying to cut off cars that was in our lane of travel. And if you watch this video, you'll see actually he gets so close to the back of our car you can barely see the bike rack on the front of the car. The video on the left hand side of the screen is where we were leaving Good Samaritan Hospital on the west side of town, and this dually truck blows this red light and almost T-bones this Jeep, and it's just absolutely insane. Here it comes right here, and look how fast this dually truck is coming. And he must have looked up at the last second and swerved to miss this Jeep. Otherwise, he would have flipped that Jeep. And the video on the right hand side of your screen is where these people decide to run the red light right in front of a Delhi police officer. They was going so fast, their entire car tilted to the right just as the Delhi police officer was coming up over that hill. It was absolutely hilarious. These people absolutely picked the wrong time to run that red light, and the thing is, they didn't even slow down and see if anybody was crossing the street or anything. Don't forget, folks, to make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. And just so everybody knows, I don't make no money doing this. This is all educational purposes. This is a tool to help educate people, giving them reasons on why they need to have a dash cam in their vehicle. Just so everybody's aware of that. I make no money doing this, okay? So don't think all these videos are put up to make money, because they're not. This video is uploaded as an educational tool. And if I'm not mistaken, that is also put in the description. This video is uploaded for educational purposes. So again, everybody, drive safe. And remember, like I said in this video, you know, your family wants to see you make it home. So keep your eyes on the road and out of the cell phones. And that text message can wait till the car is in park. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. And I'm out of here.